So now we're just going to look at here limitations of the plugin when you come to do your production detailing. We've got a nice nosing tile, we've got really custom detailed stanchions. These stanchions are of course just symbols. Got a little chamfer detail at the top there. Proper detailing this is. So how does that work? Basically, there's a group here which has all the finishes in it. There's an extrude for the concrete. The nosing is... So it's basically taken a base of a plugin stair. What we've done is to basically rebuild it and make a symbol for each tread. There we are. So that's an extrude, the grooved, safety nosing, and the tiles in the same class to match. Okay, it's just a symbol, and then the duplicate array with a Z offset. That gives you that bit of soffit going on underneath. So that's the ceiling height where that got cut off. Quite elaborate, but it has to be done if you want to detail it. We put that in a class that we can switch on and off. And underneath, so detail finishes, useful class to turn off bits and bobs of detail. So underneath the base, which is fine, it's fine for your GAs and most of the modelling, but just not for the detailing. So that's just a custom stair. So if I was to turn that off and bring back my rebuilt detailed 3D stair, those nosing symbols are in that class. I just switched off definishes. There we go. Bit fiddly, but they wanted detail, and it's been built now, and we got it. There's the wreath for the handrail. It's an extrude long path. Another extrude long path. Quite a lot of work. And there it is in the section. So you ping that into a viewport as a section viewport, and there you go. So the plugin, again, I think we've mentioned it before, it's a perfectly adequate architectural abbreviation. When it comes to squeaky bum time, real detailing at 1 to 5, you have to go the extra mile. Thanks for watching.